Happy March Madness, everyone, and welcome to day 1 of 30 of 15 minutes of daily Pilates practice. We're going to start with the basics today. I'm going to use really simple language so that this is just a follow-along breathing experience. Let's see how it goes, and I'd love your comments in the comment section after you do the workout. Okay, you're going to start on your seat, legs extended, arms down by your sides. Press your full palm into the mat, and then if you need to, bend your knees any amount to get your body up tall on top of your pelvis. On your inhale, go through your nose. On your exhale, tighten your center and push the air out using muscle. On your inhale, get longer, taller, push into the mat with your palms. On your exhale, squeeze your legs together, push the air out with muscle, get narrow and get taller. 3 more times. Inhale, lift. And exhale, narrow. Inhale, lift. Expand 360. Exhale, narrow. Squeeze the legs. Last time, inhale, lift. And exhale, narrow. Then the arms go up. Inhale, lift. And exhale, narrow. Same idea. Push the air out with muscle. Inhale, lift. And exhale, narrow. Inhale, lift. Squeeze the legs together. Get taller on the sides of the waist. 2 more times. Inhale, lift. Still flexing at the ankles. Exhale, lower. And last time with the arms, inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Bend both knees a little more, place the feet flat, hands under your thighs. Inhale, lift. Exhale, rock back on your pelvis. That's your exhale to push the air out. Inhale, stay. Exhale, curve, maintaining that shape. Inhale into the back. Rock back, exhale, deep in the tummy, push the air out. Inhale, stay, get longer. Exhale, use your hands to come back up. Again, inhale to go back, rocking back on your pelvis until your arms are straight. Exhale, get narrower. Inhale, get longer. Exhale, come right back up. Keep maintaining this C curve as you keep moving. Big inhale. Exhale, get narrower. Inhale, get longer. Exhale, help pull with your arms. Just one more time, only going back to your range. Inhale, maybe the feet come closer to help. Exhale, narrow your center, ribs come in. Inhale, get longer. And exhale, come back up. This time, rest your hands on top of your knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, go back. Sliding the hands down the legs, stop. Take an inhale, get longer. Exhale, go down a couple more inches, stop. Inhale, get longer. Maybe you grab the backs of your legs as you exhale. We've got 2 more breaths. Inhale, get longer. And exhale a little bit lower. Last time, inhale, get a little longer. And exhale all the way down onto the mat. If you've come off your mat, scoot forward just a little bit. Knees are gonna stay bent. On your inhale, raise the arms, they go over your head. On your exhale, bring your arms back down to your mat and press the arms down. Inhale, the arms go back. And exhale, press the arms down. So just some pre-Pilates before we get into the 100. Inhale, arms go up. Keep the feet planted as you exhale and press back down 2 more times. You'll notice that as I'm moving my arms up and down, I'm trying my best not to take my ribs with me. So you may notice that as the arms get a little bit higher here on your inhale, you may have to stop or the ribs will come with. This will be your last time. Inhale, the arms go back. This time they stay on the mat. On your inhale, hover the bum up off the mat. You'll feel a little hamstring engagement. Exhale to lower and push the air out. Inhale to lift. And exhale to lower, push the air out, narrow and get longer. 3 more times. Inhale to lift. Still pressing the arms down into the mat, pulling the heels toward the bottom. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower, push the air out. Last time, push the feet into the floor, reach the knee bones forward to lift. And exhale, lower. Begin pumping your arms from your shoulder socket, about the height of your mid-thigh, and then about the height of the hip bone or the leg next to the mat here, up and down. You're going to inhale for 5, and exhale for 5, and inhale for 5, and narrow your center on your exhale, and inhale for 5, and exhale for 5. 2 more breaths, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. If that's okay, lift your upper body. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more breaths. And exhale. Still good. Bring the legs into tabletop. And exhale, squeezing the legs together. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Hold that. Grab the backs of your legs. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, push the legs forward until it starts to rock you into a seated position. Come all the way up and balance on this back flatter part of your tailbone. Yeah? Put the feet all the way down. Reach the arms forward. Spread the feet apart. Rest the hands on the knees. Inhale, lift tall. On your exhale, pull the tummy back into the back ribs and come down and hold it. Inhale. We'll just go 3 breaths this time. Exhale to come a little further down and hold it. Inhale, get longer. Exhale to roll all the way down. Your arms go on the mat. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, drop them into the sockets. Inhale, lift the upper body. Exhale, roll the rest of the way up. Maybe you grab onto your legs for support. Maybe you push the legs out away from you. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go halfway down. Grab your legs. Inhale to lift. Exhale to keep rolling down. Maybe the legs drag with you. Last breath. Inhale to lift. And exhale to finish the roll down. Arms go up. Inhale to pause. Exhale the arm bones in the socket. Inhale to lift the upper body. Grab the backs of the legs. Exhale to lift a little higher. Inhale, pause. Exhale, lift a little higher. Maybe the legs push out a little bit to help. Inhale, pause. Exhale, this time straighten the legs as much as you can and come over your legs. Inhale, push into the mat with your arms and lift. Exhale, pull your tummy in. Stay bent over here. Inhale, push into your hands to get the stomach to lift. Exhale, push the air out using muscle. 1 more time. Inhale to lift, pushing into your hands. Exhale to pull the tummy in. And then round back, drag the legs, place the hands on the legs 1 more time. We go inhale to lift. Exhale to roll 1/3 of the way down-ish. Stop. Inhale to lift. Exhale, maybe 2/3 of the way down. Maybe you help with your hands this time. Inhale, get longer. Exhale, go all the way down. The head touches and the arms come back up. Inhale to lift. Exhale to let the arm bones fall heavy. Inhale to lift the upper body. Exhale to grab the legs and scoop your tummy for a little bit of help. Pause. Inhale. Exhale up a little bit further. Maybe the legs kick out. Pause. Inhale. Get longer. Head to tail. Exhale all the way over your legs. Palms on the floor. Inhale. Push into the mat. Exhale. Pull your waist off your thighs. Inhale. Push into the mat. Exhale, pull the waist up even higher. Inhale, push into the mat like you got a big fluffy puppy dog in your lap and you want to lift up off the dog, not to wake them. Reach your arms forward, maybe flex your feet if you can, maybe even grab your toes, give your calves a little stretch. This time you're rolling all the way down on your own time. 1 bone at a time until your back is all the way down on the mat. 1 leg stays bent, the other leg comes up. Bend and straighten this leg a few times, keeping the thigh in place and moving only from the knee joint. Switch sides and do the same thing. Tabletop is what we'll call this, a 90-degree angle. and then both legs come down. Take one leg in the air. If this leg is good here, you can also extend the leg out long depending on your flexibility. Cross this leg over your body down toward the mat, just as wide as the mat, and back up. Inhale for one circle. Exhale, push the air out with muscle on your next circle. Two more. Inhale for the circle. Exhale, push the air out on the other circle. Reverse the circle. Inhale, lift. Modification here to bend this top leg as you circle it on the exhale. Inhale to circle. And exhale to circle. We go one more time. Inhale to circle. Hold on to the back of this leg, extend the leg up, and point and flex the ankle just 3 times, giving yourself a back of the leg stretch. Once again, bring the knees into the chest, hold on the backs of the thighs. Inhale, lift your upper body. Exhale, push your legs into your hands. Keep leveraging your legs with your hands and your hands with your legs until you can work your way all the way up and put your feet back down. Once again, we try the roll down. Hands on your knees. Inhale. Exhale, you go back. You get 3 breaths. Inhale. Maybe your legs are fully extended now and your arms are long and you're just working the inhale and exhale all the way down. Second leg goes in the air for 5 circles in each direction. Cross on the inhale. And then the next cross is an exhale. Again, the modifications are to bend the bottom leg slightly or bend the top leg slightly. Every alternating circle gets a breath in or out. Reverse the circle. Exhale. And inhale. And all this is the fancy stuff up here. What I'm really thinking about is what's anchoring me to the mat, reaching my upper body to this side of the mat and my lower body to that side of the mat. I think you might have one more circle to go. Same transition, pull the knees into the chest, grab the backs of the thighs, great for working your teaser. Inhale to lift the upper body. Exhale, push the legs into the hands and just keep leveraging stomach and legs and stomach and legs and stomach and legs till you can come all the way up. This time you're going to put your feet down on the mat, put your palms down, and practice rocking back and forth just on this little section of your pelvis right here. So somewhere between the tailbone and all the way up here on the top of the pelvis. So right there on that little flat spot, rocking forward and back. Then hold yourself on that flat spot, gaze forward, and walk your feet in a little closer. See if you can stay in this place and just take your hands off the mat and reach. This is your teaser position and all of the places that you're going to balance for the rolling exercises. If you can grab onto both ankles and pull them in toward your chest and stay on that spot, great. If not, you're going to grab underneath the backs of your legs here. Keep thinking that you've got this beautiful full crown on top of your head and the points are all pointing up. You're going to try to point those points to the ceiling. Take a deep breath in. Let that rock you back a little and then exhale and try to come back up. So you're keeping the shape of your body as you go. Inhale to start and then exhale to come up. So same as when we started, really just a breathing exercise. The breathing is helping to tell the movement where to go. Let's go 3 more rolling like a ball. Inhale back, exhale up. Maybe your gaze helps you with that. Inhale, full breath. Exhale, pull the tummy in, push the air out. One more time. And then exhale. Good, we're gonna go for a little ride. So you're gonna go inhale, exhale, up. Put your hands down and feet down on the mat and try to lie all the way down. Then just pick your head up and grab your ankles again. Find your balance point. Inhale to go back, exhale to come up. Put your feet down, put your hands down for help if you need to. Slide yourself all the way out. And into the stomach series. Come all the way down with the same technique we did before, rolling down to your mat. Pull one knee into your chest. Put that foot down, grab the other foot, pull it into your chest. And even though, again, this is the fancy stuff, the moving parts, you're going to focus on the part of your body that's on the mat and try to keep it there using that same exhale. Maybe add a little pump to this. Pump for 2, switch. Pump for 2, switch. That feels pretty good. You're going to lift your upper body, grabbing onto the shin and the ankle with one hand. Pump and switch. Pump and switch. You can always put your head back down. To move on a little bit more advanced, you're going to take one leg in the air and one leg to your chest as you switch back and forth. You can also lift your head in the air for the full expression of the single leg stretch. Your knees come in, your head goes down. Exhale and lift your upper body again. If your upper body's going to stay up, keep it there. Inhale, the toes and fingers go up. Circle the arms and a little around the world, and then grab your shins on your exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to circle. Squeeze the legs together. Push the air out. 2 more. Inhale to reach. The lower the legs go, the harder it is. Exhale to reach. Grab your shins and then put your head down. This time you're just going to grab your legs and with some glee, rock yourself up to seated and then scoot back. And then the same idea here, legs either fully extended or bent so that you can help yourself sit up. If that's not working for you, press down into both hands. You can also sit cross-legged or sit on top of a pillow. Put your hands up on the shelf like you're going to clean it. Keep your hands right there on that shelf. Keep the legs reaching forward and the feet flexed. Take a breath in similar to when you press down into the mat. Lift yourself up. On your exhale, pull your waist back and fold forward. On your inhale, stack yourself right back up again until your crown points are pointing up toward the ceiling. And then again, exhale to go forward. Inhale to come back up. And exhale to go forward. This one's called the spine stretch. Inhale to come back up. Maybe you press the fingers to give yourself a little lift, and then hands back to the shelf again. Yep. And since we're doing 5 of everything, let's do 2 more. So the waist goes back as you go forward. Come to standing in any way that feels right for you. Maybe you tuck the toes and round yourself all the way up. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.